If you're struggling to pay your bills and the IRS is breathing down your neck, I've got some good news for you. You might qualify for IRS Hardship Status, also known as Currently Not Collectible status. This program can give you a much-needed break from aggressive IRS actions like wage garnishments and collection calls. Here's how it works. If the IRS sees that paying your tax debt would cause serious financial hardship, they can pause collection efforts. This means you won't have to worry about your balance disappearing, but you'll get some breathing room until your finances improve. At Izella Tax Relief, we specialize in helping folks in Daly City, San Mateo, and San Francisco navigate this process. Our experienced team knows exactly what the IRS looks for, from income verification to monthly expenses. We make sure your case is presented clearly and accurately, so you have the best chance of qualifying. If you're living paycheck to paycheck and the IRS is adding stress to your life, don't wait. Let Izella handle the communication and protect your income. Call 227-230-0345 today to see if you qualify for IRS Hardship Status. Izella Tax Relief, helping taxpayers find relief and hope.